Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by confirming prerequisites, update WordPress and Woocommerce, and back up your site. Once done, install a delivery date plugin or prepare your custom code snippet. This gives you a UI or filter hooks. Next, enable plugin and navigate to its settings page. Make sure to choose date format, required field, and calendar restrictions. Also create a child theme if you plan to add code. That prevents updates from overriding changes. Now you're ready to configure input placement on checkout. Now focus on configuration and customization. Open the plugin settings and set calendar limits, minimum and maximum lead time, disable specific weekdays, and add holiday exceptions so customers can't pick unavailable dates. Then map the chosen field to order meta so the date appears on admin order screens and emails. If using custom code, add a checkout field via hooks, save it to order meta, and display it in admin. Test with different shipping methods to respect delivery restrictions. Finish by testing end-to-end. Run checkout on mobile, as guest, and as logged-in customer. Test multiple shipping methods and payment gateways. Make sure the chosen delivery date shows in order emails, admin notes, and CSV exports. If things go wrong, enable debug logs and check the browser console for JavaScript calendar errors. This often reveals conflicts with other plugins or theme scripts. Finally, adjust settings, clear caches, and retest until date selection works consistently across all scenarios.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.